that. Okay.
You're good.
All right.
Say your own sis.
Okay. All right. Jeannie and Carrie from Trendy Tree. And we have a new kit that we just put together. It's a watermelon wreath kit. Now, before we get started, we want you to, if you would, tell us where you're from. If you have a business, put your link out there because you never know who might be watching. And we hope that you'll share our video link with your friends. It's lunchtime. So anyway, what we wanted to do, fix this where we can see that better. Oh, let me go back to Facebook. Hang on.
Let the tech savvy one get over there.
All right. So this is stuff that Carrie picked out when we were at Craig Bachman.
In January.
All right.
In January.
All right. So we're going to start out with all these supplies will be in a kit. Now we're not going to make the tutorial. We're not going to do a whole tutorial. We're just going to show you the supplies and tell you what we would do. We had comments from folks that that's very helpful to them, and we can do a lot more of these versus try to get a tutorial done. And
this is fun.
Our screen is frozen.
It's okay. Ours, that is not.
Well, put your...
I don't... Do you want to see my phone?
Right, so I can see what... Yeah, there we go. So I can see how, how this is showing. All right. So this is a 24-inch work wreath. It's lime. Our 24-inch work wreaths measure 15 inches across the widest ring, but with the addition of mesh, ribbons, and so forth, you wind up with a wreath that measures 24 inches or greater. We picked out two different. I'm going to give you the number on that wreath form too, just in case.
Well, it's not. We don't have any.
They're not. We're out of these. So all we've got is what's in the kit right now on the lime green. We picked out two kinds of mesh. This is tinsel foil. This first one is emerald, and there may be some of on the website of this, but it's RY840106. I know this is noisy, but I wanted to show you that up close. It's polypropylene, and it's a metallic, but it also has this tinsel that almost looks like glitter ever so often. So there's two colors of that, emerald and lime green.
To make it look like the watermelon rind.
The lime green is RY840130. So it's 10 inches in width and 10 yards in length. And what I was thinking, probably what we would do would be make a ruffle wreath. A ruffle wreath is just the easiest wreath, especially for beginners to make because it comes out the same each time. It's nice and even. It won't take completely all of the 2 rows, but it'll take more than one. So what I would do, or what we were thinking about doing, was taking the mesh and making 15-inch ruffles and put an emerald green and a lime in each twist, and you could alternate those. Put a lime on the bottom and a green on a lime.
Right, make it
alternate. But you can do it any way that you want to.
And this time, there will be more of these when the truck, I think I got a truck coming today, and there should be some more. So they'll be on there.
Right.
It's MM9097 when it comes in. There'll be some more.
And it's metal. It has a little hanger on the back that you could use to put a wire or a chenille stem through. We may not be able to read the comments from here, but if you have a question or comment, we'll try to catch them. But it's metal, and you may have to take like your little metal punch. If one place to attach it is not enough, you might want to punch a little hole in it on the bottom or on the sides to attach. And we got 3 ribbons. 2 that are 2.5 inch and 2 that are 1.5. I love this ribbon. This is called watercolor ribbon, and this is the lime. It's got a great texture to it, and this is dotted Swiss dots. For people that are my age, that's dotted Swiss,
and that's watermelon,
and
my bumblebee.
Because
bees always swarm when you're eating watermelon.
They
do.
That's true. But you could take, there's 4 ribbons in this kit, so you could take and you could do ribbon strips, however you want to do that. You might want to do ribbon strips with some and make bows with some. That would be fine either way. So all those pieces are in the kit, and we posted the link, and it's on the website now. So you can do that if you're interested. And then we also have free shipping for $79 or more. Now that's something that's, you know, we've been doing for a while. So if you have other things that you need, be sure and look at that $79 free shipping. So anyway, so that's all we've got for that. Now, like I say, there is not a written tutorial for this. I'll do a blog post and, you know, write down those suggestions